Welcome, in front of me I have WITHINGS Steel HR, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the workouts on this device. What I mean by customize the workouts is basically when you press and hold the side button on your watch, you will open the workouts menu, and here you can browse through different workouts by pressing the side button. As you can see, we have running, swimming, cycling, walking, indoor running, and other. And the last one is exit. Basically, you can press and hold the side button to exit this menu, and you can basically customize this menu. To do it, you need to open the WITHINGS HealthMate app on your phone, tap on the devices, and here select workout customization. As you can see, we have a list of workouts. We can have up to 5 exercises for quick access on our watch. So right now we have 5 of them. So let's remove one. For example, let's get rid of indoor running and add something else. For example, dancing. We can also change the position on the list for different workouts. To do it, press and hold on the icon right here on the right side and drag the workout to the position you want it to be in. This one is quite low, so I need to scroll up and drag it. I'm gonna place it at the maybe second place, like this. And now we should have dancing at the second place. So let's go back from here to the device menu and open the workouts menu. As you can see, we have running and then dancing, swimming, cycling, and so on. So let's change something else. For example, let's remove walking, cycling, and swimming, and add ball. Move the top, and leave only these 3. I mean 4, because you can't do anything with other. It's just permanent. You can't move it, you can't remove it. And once you're done, let's go back again. Wait until the watch is done syncing. Open the menu. As you can see, you have different workouts. Okay, and that's how you customize the workouts on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.